Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss pressure. Students, pressure is produced when a force acts on an object or a body. We will now discuss how the effect of force applied by one object on other object depends on area of contact between the two objects. I will give you one example. Here look into that diagram. In first one diagram, a wood piece is shown and a thumb is shown, and with that thumb force is applied on it. And in another figure you will see that a thumb pin is there, and with the same thumb the force is applied. In first case, if we push hard on a piece of wood with our thumb, the thumb does not go into the wood. But if we push a drawing pin or a thumb pin into the wood with the same force of our thumb, the drawing pin or thumb pin goes into the wood. It is seen here. This observation can be explained by me now. Our thumb does not go into the wood because the force of thumb is falling on large area of the wood. Where? Large area of the wood, due to which the pressure per unit or force per unit area or pressure on wood is very small. In the figure number B, the drawing pin goes into the wood. It is so due to the sharp tip of drawing pin. The force of thumb pin is falling on very small area of the wood, due to which the force per unit area or pressure on the wood becomes very large. It is clear now. Here small pressure because of large area, here large pressure because of small area of that pin. Here the force acting on unit area of the object is vary both the cases. The force of thumb produces small pressure when it acts on large area of the wood, but the same force of thumb produces greater pressure when it acts on smaller area. Okay, from here we can now define pressure. Pressure is the force acting per unit area. What is pressure? The force acting per unit area is called pressure. My dear students, the SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton, and area SI unit is meter square. So unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Another famous unit is Pascal. It is given by French scientist Blaise Pascal. It is denoted by capital P and small a. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. 1 kilopascal is equal to 1000 Pascal. Okay, now I am going to discuss on what factor pressure depends. Pressure depends upon two factors. First one, force applied. Second, area over which that force acts. Pressure depends upon two factors. First, force applied. Second one, area. Force applied and area. Okay. If the same force is acting on large area, it produces smaller pressure. But if the same force acts over a small area of the object, it produces large pressure. Okay students, now I am giving you daily life examples of pressure. Why your school bags have wide strips with cushion inside? Reason, pressure or the force of that bag or that pressure will be over large area. Pressure acts on large area, so it can be easy to lift your bag. Why needles are one-sided, very sharp? Reason, pressure on smaller area. Okay students, see that videos. Tomorrow you will get your next video. Bye.